Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review on my new men's polo shirt. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. Check it out, very nice. Very nice lightweight material on here. Make them in several different colors. It's got a little zipper there, but let's go ahead and actually try it on and see what it looks like. Alright, and this is what it looks like on. The knitted polo shirt combines comfort and modern style in a really sleek way. The textured knit fabric feels soft and breathable, but it also has some stretch so you can move easy throughout the day. It's wrinkle-free too, which makes it perfect for days when you want to look sharp without putting in a lot of effort. The zipper design is what really sets the shirt apart. Instead of the traditional buttons, it has a clean quarter zipper front that gives it a more updated, fashion-forward look. It's also practical, easy to put on and take off, and you can adjust the neckline depending on your style or comfort level. Styling is effortless. You can pair it with jeans or shorts or for a casual vibe, or dress it up with a blazer for a smart casual outfit. It even works in sporty looks with joggers or athletic shorts. And for date night, it's the perfect balance of laid back and polished. It's a great shirt for all kinds of occasions, barbecues, casual, Fridays at work, or travel. It also makes an easy gift since it's versatile styling without trying too hard. This one is a size 2XL and it fits true to size. I personally went a size up for a more relaxed, laid back fit, and I'm glad I did. It still looks clean without feeling too snug, and the best part, it's machine washable. Just toss it in, no special care needed. It comes out looking just as good with no shrinkage or fading, which makes it super low maintenance for everyday wear. So if you guys are looking for a new polo shirt, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.